If you're a foreigner visiting Korea, Jeju Island is a must-visit destination. Why? From my perspective, who has traveled to 51 countries and seen Patagonia, Iguazu Falls, and Serengeti, and Northern Lights, among the world's wonders, Jeju Island is incredibly beautiful as well. Here are some of the popular waiting spots on Jeju Island these days with long waits. However, I prefer to experience the beautiful nature and local eateries unique to Jeju rather than crowded tourist spots. Would you like to find out how to enjoy real Jeju, different from Seoul and Busan? Let's dive in. Here's my favorite spot among the sea of Jeju, where the distinctiveness of Jeju's blue sea compared to other beautiful seas around the world lies in its backdrop of the Hala Mountain, a shield volcano, basalt rocks, and the gleaming white windmills, creating a captive scene. For the best photos, head towards the basalt area and strike a pose with the wind power generators in the background. Who are they? What are they doing? This is a scene of haenyeo, or female divers, who are synonymous with Jeju, harvesting seafood. Let me speak with one of them.
할머니 잡으신 거 어디서 뭐가 볼 수 있는 데 있어요? 근처에? 네. 할머니 소라 잡은 거 먹을 수 있는 데 없어요? 네.
The mainland Jeju dialect was so different from the standard Korean. The communication with the grandmother was difficult to the point where it was challenging. If any of you speak Jeju dialect, please translate for us. We wanted to try the fresh seafood caught by these haenyeo grandmothers, so we asked local Jeju residents nearby. We were directed to a restaurant in Seongsan, and that's where we are heading. It's right here. Wow, the owner, who is also a haenyeo and is a chef, is serving us a generous amount of freshly caught seafood. I'm really looking forward to it.
사장님 물질하세요?
네, 제가 해가지고. 우와.
Even before I dig in, I'm already excited. Look at the generous servings of seafood here. Octopus, abalone, crab, shrimp. These are all in this single seafood noodle soup. This seafood noodle soup is absolutely delicious. I can confidently say that it's the best seafood noodle I've ever tasted. The seafood platter is also fantastic. It's so fresh and flavorful. And the abalone porridge has a delightful aroma. Seafood noodle, abalone porridge, and seafood platter, all for just 33,000 won or 24 US dollars. You won't find this level of quality at such a reasonable price anywhere else on the island. This quaint local eatery served up the most memorable meal of my entire Jeju journey. I've compiled comprehensive information on the places to visit, dine, drink, accommodation, and top travel tips into an ebook. So check it out in the comment section below. This largest market in all of Jeju opens every 5 days, a departure from the daily routine of local markets in Seoul. This is a very unique local concept many foreigners may not be familiar with. What sets this market apart is its diverse range of Jeju local offerings, from street foods to seafood, and even parrots and rabbits as pets.
홈스터, 와, 홈스터. These rabbits are so cute. Aren't they so cute? Parrots.
I came to eat hotdog, but I've never seen such a large dough before. There's everything here, from pig's feet, side dish stores, to the fruit section. You can even taste and buy fruits directly like this. Looks like a lot of locals are out for grocery shopping. Can't pass by freshly made Korean-style donuts. I've had an amazing time here, indulging in delicious food, browsing through shops, and capturing photos. Time has flown by so quickly. If you're looking to experience the authentic local vibe of Jeju, this is the place to be. Tada! Jeju offers more than just beautiful beaches. It's also home to wonderful forest trails and mountains. This is one of my favorite trail spots where you can enjoy a leisurely 550-meter long walk on a pretty flat wooden deck. So peaceful, rejuvenating, and detoxifying. Absolutely love it. For a more peaceful experience, consider visiting in the morning on weekdays like I did. This is the most beautiful artifact in Jeju, designed with motifs from Noah's Ark in the Bible. It gives the impression of floating on water, blending harmoniously with the green grass, blue sky, and the beauty of nature. You can also step inside the chapel. Amidst the hustle of travel, this is a truly peaceful moment. Very beautiful. Note that viewing is not allowed during worship service held on Sunday. Regardless of your religion, this place is worth visiting for a memorable picture and peace of mind. Finally, it's time to eat! One of Jeju's signature dishes is barbecued black pork. However, with many restaurants targeting tourists, finding quality meat at a reasonable price can be a challenge. After thorough research and consultation with locals, I found the top choice, this restaurant. The owner here personally grills the meat like this. Here, you'll savor juicy black pork served with soybean fermented paste stew, firm break, pasta, and more. Yes, Italian pasta and Korean pork meat together. A unique and delicious combination. Can you tell how satisfied I am with the food here? It's incredibly delicious. Oh, and don't forget to try the black pork noodle too. It's no surprise why the locals in Jeju highly recommended this place for black pork. While I typically steer clear of typical tourist spots, I can't overlook this one because it offers the prime location to witness the sunrise in Jeju. Having visited several times to catch the sunrise, I can attest to its spectacular beauty. Enjoy the beauty of the sunrise of Jeju for a moment. Even from a distance here, you can get an impressive view as well. It's particularly unique because the lava meets the sea, forming rapidly solidified terrain along with the beach. What do you think this is? It looks like a monotone architecture outside. But when you walk inside, wow, completely different from what I expected. This place is a hip and trendy cafe and lounge. It's so trendy. Wow. It feels like a poolside at a 5-star hotel in a resort. The view makes you want to jump into the pool right away. You can chill out both indoors and outdoors and relax amidst the pine tree forest in the garden. At night, it turns into a lounge where you can sip drinks while enjoying music played by a DJ. If you want to experience the hipness of Jeju, it's worth a visit. The Jeju Ol Trail offers 27 routes spanning 437 kilometers, allowing you to explore the wonders of Jeju on foot. From my personal experience, I highly recommend this route as the most scenic trail, offering breathtaking views of the sea.
Wow, guys, this is the beauty. You should come and experience yourself. Wow. Look at this expansive ocean view. This is why I love this trail.
Now it's springtime, so the canola flowers are blooming, making the trail even more vibrant. Come and enjoy this tranquil walk. In this route, there is a beautiful hidden cafe located like this. It's nice to take a leisurely coffee break here and then continue trekking. If you're coming to Korea, I highly recommend visiting Jeju Island. Rather than following the same routes as others, I hope you'll experience the charming places and restaurants unique to Jeju. I hope you'll check out more information in my ebook on Jeju. See you soon with another fun and helpful video.